Welcome. On this video I would be showing you two different sites you can download your fonts from and how to install this fonts on Fonto. Make sure to watch till the end of video, leave some comments at the comments section, and subscribe to our channel. The first site I would be showing you is called Dafonts.com. This website is one of the most popular ones for downloading varieties of fonts. To download your fonts using this website, go to Google and type in Dafonts.com. This would automatically take you to the site's page. At the top side of the website, you would find varieties of fonts listed from which you can choose from. Click on whatever type you want. To download these fonts, click on the download button located at the front of each fonts. After clicking, the fonts would be automatically added to the download section on your phone. To install this fonts on the Fonto app, go to the download section on your Google Chrome. You would find the fonts you have just downloaded. Click on the three dots at the front of your just downloaded fonts. Four options would be presented to you. Click on Share option and search for Fonto and click. Then go on to Install Font. When you open your Fonto app, you would find these fonts you have just downloaded and installed. The second site from which you can download fonts is a website called 1001.com. This is another site that has lots of fonts to choose from. To download your fonts from the website, type in the site's name on Google or any other search engine and open. And just like the first website, at the top side of the site's page, you would find a list of varieties of fonts you can make use of. After finding the font you like, to download them, go to the arrow button at the front of your chosen font and then click. This would, just like the first website, automatically download the fonts to the download section of your phone. To install these fonts to the Fonto app, go to the location or app for downloads on your phone and then open. You would find all the fonts you have just downloaded. Press down on the fonts for a few seconds to select, and then click on the Share option to share fonts to Fonto. You can then go on to Install Fonts. And just like in the first example, when you open your Fonto, you would find the fonts you have just downloaded and installed.